Hi everyone, here we've got LG K52 and let me show you how to reset up preferences on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings and now let's tap on apps. Now let's choose the app info and all you have to do right now is simply tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner. Now let's tap on reset apps. Your device is telling you that it will reset all preferences for disabled apps, disabled app notifications, default apps, apps with background data restrictions and any app permission restrictions. What's more, no worries, you won't lose any app data, so if you're ready, tap on reset. And actually that's all. This is how to reset up preferences in your LG K52. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.